Why turn to nature for answers? Nature has a 3.8 billion year head start on research and development. Every plant, animal, and ecosystem is a survivor. Nature's solutions are time-tested. In nature, there's no waste. Everything is reused and recycled. By studying these closed-loop systems, we can design cleaner, more regenerative industries. Nature runs on sunlight, uses only what it needs, and fits form to function perfectly. Its solutions are often more creative than anything we could invent. From muscle-inspired glues to termite-inspired cooling systems, nature's creativity is boundless. Studying nature reminds us we're part of it, fostering respect and connection. Biomimicry is more than problem-solving. It's a mindset for living in harmony with our planet.